If prompt or retrieval changes keep causing regressions, I will show a small golden set test that catches failures before you ship. You know the feeling. A tweak to a prompt or a retrieval tweak quietly breaks a handful of important answers. You only notice after a customer reports bad results. By the end of this video, you will understand a simple regression test pattern that protects a small set of critical prompts and flags changes that matter. It is fast, interpretable, and easy to run in continuous integration. I'm Professor Pi, teaching AI engineering and LLM systems with simple Python. In many production setups, you have two fragile layers. One is the prompt that asks the model for the right content. The other is the retrieval step that finds supporting documents for that prompt. Changes to either layer can silently lower quality. Success looks like the key examples still pass, retrieval finds supporting text, and cost does not explode. This pattern is useful whether you have a handful of critical prompts or a growing set that define your product's behavior. At a high level, the idea is simple. Pick a tiny golden set of prompt and expected signal pairs. Run your system on those prompts. Measure whether each output contains the minimal acceptable signal and whether retrieval returns supporting text at top 1. Compare those metrics to thresholds and to the previous good run. If something drops, fail the gate and investigate before merging. Strengths are clarity and speed. Weaknesses are that the golden set needs to be representative, and that brittle phrasing can cause false alarms unless you use tolerant matching. We will build a toy pipeline that illustrates each step. You will see a golden set, a baseline accuracy run, a tiny retrieval ranker with hit at 1, threshold and cost checks, and a final regression verdict comparing to a stored previous run. Keep the examples small and deterministic, so the logic is obvious before you scale it up. First, we will define the golden cases and make them easy to inspect. This snippet creates a tiny golden set of prompt expectation pairs. The list named golden holds small, deterministic test cases where Q is the input and want is the minimal acceptable signal in the answer. Keeping cases compact makes it easy to run checks often and compare across changes. Each entry is intentionally short, so it's readable and resilient to minor wording variations. The printed count confirms the test surface you'll protect from regressions. Seeing golden cases ensures you know exactly how many scenarios your changes must respect. Next, we will compute a baseline accuracy by matching expected signals against canned replies. This snippet scores a baseline accuracy against the golden set. The dictionary replies simulates a deterministic model output for each prompt, so runs are reproducible. The variable ACC counts how many wants appear in the corresponding reply and divides by the number of cases. Using lowercase comparisons gives simple robustness to casing without overfitting phrasing. The final value is your baseline to beat or protect. The printed baseline ACC is the reference metric that future edits must match or exceed. Now we will add a minimal retrieval step and measure how often the top hit contains the needed signal. This snippet adds a minimal retrieval step and measures hit rate at 1. The list docs reuses the candidate text from replies, pretending they were retrieved documents. The function top selects the doc with the most shared tokens with the query, acting as a tiny ranker. The variable hit computes how often the top document contains the wanted signal, giving a retrieval-oriented metric. Because tokenization is naive and case and punctuation sensitive, results highlight opportunities for better pre-processing. The printed hit rate shows how well your ranking supports answerability at top 1. Then, we will define acceptance thresholds and a simple cost budget to catch regressions and runaway spend. This snippet enforces quality thresholds and a simple cost budget. The dictionary, TH, defines minimum acceptable accuracy and hit rate, so small regressions are caught early. The values CP and CR approximate per prompt and per retrieval costs, and cost multiplies them by the golden set size to get a run budget. The Boolean OK gates acceptance only if metrics meet thresholds and spend stays under budget. Raising thresholds tightens quality. Lowering them reduces false alarms. Increasing budget tolerates more spend. Lowering it forces thrift. The printed cost used helps you track spend alongside quality. Finally, we compare today's metrics to a stored previous run and produce a pass or fail verdict. This snippet decides a regression verdict versus a stored previous run. The dictionary Prev holds last known good metrics, and Toll gives a small tolerance to reduce flaky alerts. The Boolean worse fires if accuracy or hit rate drop beyond tolerance, or if cost inflates more than 10%. The string verdict summarizes the run's acceptability for simple CI gates and experiment tracking. Raising tall makes the gate less sensitive to tiny swings. Lowering it enforces stricter stability. The printed verdict tells you if today's changes are safe to merge. In a real project, you map the toy docs and replies to your actual retrieval index and model outputs. The golden set stays small but representative. The thresholds and cost numbers become policy choices you tune with a tiny validation set. Recap. It is a tiny golden set of prompt expectations, a baseline accuracy plus retrieval hit at 1, and a thresholded cost-aware gate. Use it when you have critical prompts or a retrieval layer that can break silently. One caveat: the golden set must be maintained and representative, or the gate will give misleading signals. Next step: scale this exact approach by running the golden set against a larger corpus with an ANN index, and add timing and accuracy checks so you measure both quality and latency under realistic load. If short, practical AI engineering helps, subscribe and watch the AI engineering videos.